I'm pushing dust like a fan. Goddamn, you just found out that I'm the man. Where you been at? I get more head than a snapback cap. It's been like that since way before we bounce back. We snatching diamonds out the glass and we sell them right back. Fuck around and get jacked. Now you can't have it back. The vanilla villain, always keep it straight on the track. So give me the cheese, hit the flow, breathe all up in your hole. Bust a 4-5, nose dive, you ain't making out the dough. Now we standing toe to toe, but I can't stand a filthy hoe. You ain't about this life, so check yourself and get go. Oh, he ain't know, I curl hoes with my flavor blessed flows. About enough gold to make the ocean explode. This ain't a joke, I ain't a TV show host. I'm with the 305 demon doing the most. And while we on the subject, you're fucking with a suspect. He frontin' and we know that. We fuck him up in public. He probably up that Prozac, swinging from a bow sack. He's got the 9 shine bitch made it, you don't want that. You can't rap like me, motherfucker, I just started. Coming to clean it up like Wahlberg in the department. So let me pass it off to the OG trendsetter, microphone shredder. Y'all motherfuckers better
follow me, follow me. I can show you everything you were supposed to see.
like your family in the seat with their feet all in concrete, bitch.
Grab your daddy's gun and come with me. Follow me, follow me. I can show you everything you were supposed to see.
Like $1 million in cash, grab the cheddar, better wear a mask. Outlaws in the cut, we bout to burn your ass.
You don't want me to bring it back to my old ways. It's always my way, baby, all day. It's my day today. I'm playing with the AK. Got the 40 clapping broad day like, hey, baby. I'm feeling myself, 40,000 on the belt. I got a problem, can somebody give me help? Better yet a belt, see me hanging from my cylinder. No, I can't be your Superman, cause I can't save myself. Baby bone, got a bone up here with rappers, thinking they slick, they quick to lick the dick, they jumping ship to ship, no loyalty. Money, 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 yeah, the root of evil. Got me jumping over backwards like evil Knievel. Let me die like Elvis, where I feel my safest. I just pray the opposition don't find where the safest. My bitches don't get fed until they bring me bread. How many rappers in my city really want me dead? Hate turning to jealousy, then it turning to bullets. I look my enemy in the eye, yelling pussy, just pull it. You doubt that, I doubt that. I took your baby mama straight to Outback and blew her fucking back out, I'm doubt that. Follow me, follow me. I can show you everything you were supposed to see.
Like your family in the seat with their feet all in concrete, bitch.
Grab your daddy's gun and come with me. Follow me, follow me. I can show you everything you were supposed to see.
Like $1 million in cash, grab the cheddar, better wear a mask. Outlaws in the cut, we bout to burn your ass.